Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Selenium automation testing. Selenium is a powerful, open-source tool designed for automating web browsers. It allows you to write scripts in popular languages like Java, Python, and C# to interact with web elements. This framework is essential for validating web applications across various browsers and operating systems, ensuring consistent functionality and user experience. It's a fundamental skill for modern software quality assurance. To begin, you'll need to set up your development environment. First, install a programming language like Python or Java. Next, choose an integrated development environment, or IDE, such as PyCharm for Python or Eclipse for Java, to write your code. Finally, download the specific WebDriver for your preferred browser, like Chrome Driver for Google Chrome, and ensure it's correctly configured in your system path. Now, let's write a simple test script. Start by importing the required Selenium libraries. Then, initialize your WebDriver to launch the browser you wish to automate. You can locate web elements on a page using various strategies, such as by their ID, name, or XPath. Once an element is found, you can perform actions like clicking a button, typing text into a field, or submitting a form. For robust automation, consider best practices. Use explicit waits to manage dynamic page loading, preventing test failures due to elements not being immediately present. Adopt the page object model to create maintainable and reusable test code. As you progress, explore advanced features such as running tests in headless browsers for faster execution and integrating with continuous integration pipelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.